Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Venice, one of the most outstanding, unique and particular destinations of the world. We are in the area of Cannaregio, which is very convenient, very central, really close to the Jewish ghetto, which is the most antique in Europe, with over 500 years of history. The property we are going to discover today is a palazzo, with its own terrace, rooftop terrace, and the view from up there is amazing. And I can't wait to show it to you. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The building is laid on 4 levels with a total of 600 square meters, its own elevator and independent access. Let's go inside. The ground and first floor are currently not being used, so we will start by seeing the second floor, which is hosting a beautiful 230 square meters apartment. The apartment immediately opens into this spacious entrance room. It is full of light because light actually comes from both sides of the palazzo, and from here we can access the 2 wings of the property. Let's start from this one on this side. Over here we have both the dining area on this side and right in front of me this spacious living space. The ceilings are quite high and they are perfect for these beautiful Murano glass chandeliers. There are several windows all around, giving so much light to the space. And right beside the dining area we've just seen, we get to another spacious sitting room with these gorgeous, typical Venetian floors. Over there is direct access to a bathroom for this room, but also for all of the spaces on this side of the apartment. The dining and the sitting area have their direct access to 2 lovely balconies with a view onto the Cannaregio Canal. In the distance, you also clearly see the island of Murano. Back to the entrance room, both passing through this door right here, but also through the dining area we've just seen, we have direct access onto the kitchen of the apartment. Whilst in the end of the entrance room on the right, we find a nice and cozy office space. We're now about to see the second wing of the apartment. It starts right here with, on my right, this staircase which brings to the upper floor with a beautiful terrace that I'm about to show you. Then on the left we have access onto a large bathroom. And in the end, we get to this nice and spacious dining and sitting area, right beside a nice bedroom. Both of these rooms have a direct view onto the back of the palazzo with a beautiful garden. On the top and last floor, we find some storage spaces, very useful. And then we find a direct access onto this fantastic 45 square meters terrace. This is perfectly livable. In fact, in the summertime, it is ideal to be used as a nice dining area or sitting area to enjoy the sun, the view, and the fresh air. Last but not least, we have this rooftop space. From here, the view on Venice is gorgeous and indeed very romantic. I hope you like this property. It for sure has lots of potential with its 600 square meters of internal space, both as an investment. In fact, it could be converted into several apartments, but also to be turned into a gorgeous private home. One last thing before I leave you, please remember to subscribe to our channel for new, exciting homes every week. I will see you soon. Ciao!